Hi, welcome back to Zamintour. This is data entry project number 10, and you guys already know that we have started a complete series where I share with you different videos each day. Okay, so this is video number 10, guys. Okay, and now this is the complete instruction for this project. So basically, guys, here the client told me to find account in farm state of Queensland Australia, script all the available information with the yellowpage.com au and excel format the file. Okay, and here is the excel file, guys. Here you can see we need to copy the business name here, and then type of business, then website, email address, number, and also their full address. Okay, location address. So the project are very simple, guys, and this is going to be your assignment, and I hope you will do it. So I will just give you a small demo that to show you manually how to do project. Okay, and then I hope you will practice on this project by yourself by scraping the data with the help of free tool. Okay, so first, guys, I just want to give you a small demo. So I will just open the yellowpage.com. Okay, and here I will just paste the URL, okay, which the client already share with me. Okay, guys, so now here you can see this website will be open. So when you're working on this project, so first, guys, you will need to type, okay, so you will need to type here accounting farm. Okay, and then now here you will need to type Queensland Australia. So when you search on it, guys, you will see a different result. So let me show you guys. Okay, so just copy accounting farm here. Okay, guys, your job will be to do this project with the help of tool which you guys already know that, as I'm sharing with you different videos. So I already show you how to extract data from a website. So now your job will be to extract data from this website. Okay, so let's open it, and now wait a second so that the page has been completely loaded. Okay, so here now you need to click verify you are a human. Okay, and now, guys, we will see this page. Okay, here, so now you can see we got this result, guys. There are 1940 leads. So now our job is to collect all this data, guys. The process are very simple. You can see it's their business name, guys. Okay, and then their business tab. Here you can see it's already mentioned, and then contact number, website, email address. So you will need to open this business, okay, one by one, and then you will need to practice on it. Okay, but I already show you the process, guys, if you have watched this video. Okay, video number 9, yeah, also video number 3, I share with you a tool where I show you practically how to script data with the help of this free tool. So I hope you guys already know that. So this is going to be your assignment, and I hope you will do it. So when you do it, please let me know in the comment section how was your experience when you are working on this project, and if you guys have any issue, please let me know. Then I will show you practically how to script this data. But I hope you guys will already know that, because I already share with you 9 project, and I already show you everything step by step. But still, if you guys have any issue, please watch this video again and again. And here I told you that how to script data automatically from any website. Okay, but still, if you have any issue, please let me know. So thank you so much for watching the video.